Super late. Hey, we made it. What's up?
Late. Especially with my boy Brian and Leslie.
Yeah, that's cool. So badass. Lamborghini sounds nice. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Brian. We are taking a stroll to a car show, car meet. We're gonna go meet Gia and Soto there. We all kind of had a plan to go, the four of us, on a bike ride, but we all kind of overslept, and so Soto and Theo already made it there, and we are just gonna go meet them there now. We're riding the Super-73. My son is here with my wife on the bike. Here we are, guys. Unfortunately, this is almost the end of this car meet. But we're gonna see if we can get something for you guys here. Oh, so yeah. So very sadly, I had to turn down the sound on most of this recording because they had music there with loudspeakers, and I just don't want to get a copyright on YouTube for this, but it was a good time. Leslie, my son, and I rode the Super-73s, as we all have seen already, and we're meeting up with the guys here, Theo and Soto. We're gonna greet them right quick. Super late. Hey, we made it. What's up?
Late. Especially with my boy Brian and Leslie. You guys missed all the fun.
Dude, I bet.
Just pulled up. This thing from Texas.
That's nice.
Probably literally drove this from Texas.
So he was just letting us know that this Lamborghini just arrived there from Texas. So they must have been driving. Just cool. Man, just imagine driving that car on the highway. And, you know, there's a few spots out there where you can just crank it up, I bet, on the highway. But yeah, it was cool. It was a good time. So I'm a huge racing fan, Formula One, dirt rally, motorbikes, you name it. So I definitely had to leave some of the sounds. But check this car coming by, and you know muscle cars got it going on. Oh yeah. Woof. Fire. We got an old school Jeep here with the American and Japan flags. And another thing is, I could definitely feel people staring at my Super-73 bike are. Also, Leslie and my son, yeah, they were definitely staring at us, which is cool, but hey, we came here for the cars. If people want to see the bikes, then hey man, that's a plus for us. I did, dude. So this old school motorcycle here had paintings just like the old school fighting jets. Very classic, man, looked nice. There's still a few cars here. Very cool looking cars, man. Yeah, dude, that's a nice looking car. Yeah, oh yeah. It looks like the Incredibles car? Yeah. So we made it back around to the Lamborghini, and I guess these guys are getting ready to hit the road. So we're gonna have a little bit of a show here when he turns on his car. So sweet, man. Love it.
That's sick.
Yeah, that's cool. So badass. Okay, is he done?
Yeah, probably.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they're out. Nice Lamborghini here, man.
Yeah.
Good. tire action though. Rev it up, rev it up. Love the sound of that, man. Here we go. Pretty badass, man. Good looking cars, that's for sure. They sound great, dude.
That thing sounds.
Yeah, that's
that
nice.
thing's going insane. I had my ears covered and my ears are still ringing.
You see a little bit of fire there?
Yeah, dude.
Yep.
Those flames were. I was like, bro, let me put my tripod down. I covered my ears. My ears are still ringing.
I wasn't ready for that initial.
Me neither.
I was like, ah.
Shit, I'm glad I have this helmet.
Okay,
Because he just, yeah.
No protection, sorry. Half stuff.
Sheesh.
There goes the Lamborghini.
I seen a McLaren when I was leaving.
Yeah. Muscle cars here, blue and red, looking good. Jeez. Some great looking cars here. Man, some of the people be spending so much money. Alright, so we are all done with that. That was a short little time we had there. Like I said at the beginning, we got there at the end, but we were able to get a few shots of different things that were left over there. I hope you guys enjoyed the little thing. I know we're enjoying our rides on the Super 73s. I hope you guys have been having a good weekend, and we will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe out there, guys. Peace.